Hi, you all. I know it's been so long that I created something for YouTube because it is really hard to be consistent here, but your girl is going to try her best. And today I am going to shoot something in sari, and that's why I actually want to do my makeup in such a way that it completely complements what I'm wearing. So let's do that. And it is going to be very easy. If you're gonna follow all the steps, you can create as it is because I am even not a professional, but I do my makeup on my own. So let's do that. Firstly, I'm gonna start with prepping up my skin because that is very important. So I'm gonna use this simple moisturizer. This is really lightweight and get absorbed quickly. Sorry. When you apply good amount of moisturizer before doing your makeup, it actually, you can see that flawless base. So now I'm gonna apply this sunscreen which is from Deconstruct. It has SPF 55 plus. So it is a matte finish kind of sunscreen. It is not at all oily. I have applied before as well, so I am not applying that much, but you should apply a lot of sunscreen on your face. Now I'm gonna do my makeup quickly because I don't want to get late. I want to execute that whole plan. This concealer from L'Oreal, which is a savior. You just have to apply this little amount. Spots as well because I have many. Now to blend this really well, I'm gonna apply setting spray. That's it. And we'll blend. Because when you apply setting spray, it actually helps to get blended like in a very flawless way, and you don't have to put that much of the efforts. So yeah. The concealer that I applied was one shade darker than my skin tone, so I'm gonna go with this serum foundation from Revolution to do to get the exact shade of my skin tone. So that's why just gonna apply it on the high points because you can see it is actually white, like whitish. Yep, like this. When it comes to the flawless makeup, don't ever miss onto your setting spray because that is going to save you time and give you that great look. And you don't have to forget neck like the way just I did. I completely forgot my neck, but you don't have to. Now I'm gonna do my eye makeup, which is going to be very, minimal, but it is gonna look good. This is my first purchase from Huda Beauty, and I recently purchased. I always, as a kid, used to get the dupes of Huda Beauty, and I have the real one now. And I'm very happy, honestly, because this is so beautiful. I mean, it has all the basic shades that you need. The best. They are just so smooth. I mean, now I know the reason why people actually invest in these palettes just to get that beautiful look. I'm gonna go with the lighter shade for the inner side. Now the eyeshadow thing is done. I'm just gonna go with the kajal because that is going to change the whole look. Kajal that I'm gonna use is from Vanessa. I think this is for rupees 170 only, and the best. As well. But you just have to apply very closely with your lashes. Otherwise it is not going to look that good. And make a wing here because I'm not gonna apply the eyeliner, so I'm gonna do this. I'm just going to do this. You can see the difference. Look at this and look at that. My eyes are looking bigger and you can see that dark look. I don't know what we can call it, but this looks pretty. This. I'm gonna take the brown eyeshadow and I'm going to smudge it. like this flat brush. Makeup is all done. I'm gonna go with the blush, highlighter and lipstick now, and then we're done. Blush is again from Huda Beauty, and this was the second purchase, of course. This is the blush stick, and the color is so beautiful. It is not pink, it is that, what we can say, uh, jamuni kind of a color, if I'm right. And this look is giving me that Alia Bhatt vibes from that movie. I don't remember the name, but she did the exact same eye makeup. And the beauty. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Yup. For the highlighter, I have this new purchase from Revolution again. This is the Blush and Glow, basically a highlighter and a blush and a box and a palette, sorry. Please don't tell me that highlighter is nahi lagata. I know that. I don't want to go again there and get the eye, whatever it is. You can see that glow, that natural glow. That's what we are looking for. And now is the time for lipstick. And this is very exciting part because I'm gonna show you my face like this, and then after the lipstick, the whole different look. This is a very creamy lipstick. Like, the shade is very natural or very skin based, and this smells like a cupcake. Maybelline should start launching perfumes as well, you know. Looks so pretty. I think I'm just a pretty person. That's why I'm saying pretty again and again. कोई तारीफ करे या ना करे, तुम अपनी तारीफ खुद करो. Sorry. If you need any of the link, just comment like, I need the link of the blush, I need the link of the earring or anything. You're just gonna get it right away. Black, of course. This is dark brown. If you want me to, create a lot of other things and experiment with all the content, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.